So in this video, I simply want to show you how to factory reset your Skyworth TV in case you're having issues with it, or maybe you simply want to resell it. So take your remote control and press the cogwheel button over here. You see on the top right corner, click on it. And now select all settings, which is this button, okay? Once you're in this menu, we need to go all the way down. Once you see system highlighted, press OK. Now select about, it's the second option. And now you need to go down and select reset. Select reset. Factory reset is the only option. Click on it. And from here, all you have to do, well, first make sure that you have a backup in case you want to save anything, but everything will be wiped out. So your Google account will be wiped out, your pictures, anything you have saved on the TV memory, your apps, and your personal data will all disappear. So go ahead, select factory reset. It will take 2 minutes. The TV will shut down, will power on by itself without you having to touch anything. And yeah, you'll be good to go afterwards. So this is about it. Comment down below if this was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.